What's up guys, how's it going today? So today I got something cool for the bike, a little carbon fiber bit. Let me show you guys. Alright, I got this little carbon fiber, basically it's like a canard little air diffuser for the front of your bike. This is how it comes in Amazon. I got it off of Amazon. I saw some on eBay, but this one had 2-day shipping, so why not for the same price? Alright, so this is how it comes shipped. Nothing special. It could come broken, I would probably imagine. Alright, so they give you some screws. I would imagine this is if you don't want to use the push rivet anymore. You guys will see what I mean. And then here goes the little piece, carbon fiber. Nice. So this is what it looks like. So here's what it looks like on the bike. Goes right here. Sick. Alright guys, so this is super simple install. So there's two number 4 hex bolts in the very tip of the nose right here. You want to take those out. Alright, after you got those two bolts out, you're going to take out the first two push rivets on the top here. Let me get a light for you guys. You want to get the first push rivet on the top there, and then the one on the top there. Alright, so I can only assume the little clips that came with it are if you want to use a bolt on the ends here instead of using the push rivet. But I'm just going to use the push rivet. Alright, so you want to get those rivets set in there and then put them back where they were and just push them in. So I got it snapped on now. Looking nice. Just gotta put the two front bolts and then we'll see how it fits there. Got that one. Ah, looks sick. Overall, it's pretty symmetrical. It wasn't too tight getting it on, but it was a little bit tight getting it on. And for some hydro dip or whatever this is, it looks really good. Like, it looks really good. Sick. Alright guys, well, this is the first piece to my carbon fiber Ninja 400 build. I know this isn't real carbon fiber, but I am getting this piece carbon fiber, and then I forgot what other piece they sell. They don't sell too many pieces carbon fiber for this bike, but I am getting this one carbon fiber soon. And then I will try to find this real carbon fiber So far, I can't find it real carbon fiber. It's just a bunch of eBay Chinese, I guess, hydro dip stuff. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. There will be more carbon fiber bits in the future. Whatever I can find, I will try to snag it. There's not too many out there, but I'll try to find it. Let's go for a ride and see how this thing looks like outside. Here's what the carbon looks like on the bike out in the daylight. It looks pretty sick. Looks pretty cool. I think it makes the bike look a little bit cooler. Yeah, and that was a super simple install, guys. Like, that was like, what? Like 5 minutes. So, I mean, for $30, 5 minutes, make your bike look cooler. Can't go wrong. Alright, guys, so I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'm about to go enjoy this nice day.